Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video of iDecoMart Neon. Today we are going to show you how we make a neon sign that is waterproof. So without further delay, let's do it. Our process begins with the designing the neon sign by a computer to command the CNC machine to ensure the desired outlook. In this stage, we engrave the expected design into the acrylic board by CNC machine to ensure 100% design accuracy. Once we have our desired design in our hand, here comes the most important phase to make our neon sign waterproof. Here are the two different types of LED strips. One is waterproof, on the other hand, another one is normal and not waterproof. We must use specialized LED strips which is waterproof, not the regular LED strips. It's time for connecting the wire to power the LED strips, which is very important process to glow up our stunning creation. Once we're done with soldering the line properly, it's time to check by providing the power. As we are done with the checking, now we're gonna seal the strips with a special glue to ensure the longevity of waterproofness of our neon sign. It's time to cover up the LED strips with neon strips, which is a precise process, as the fittings must be 100% accurate to get great outlook of the neon sign. Finally, it is time to check the waterproof ability of our neon sign. To do it, we're gonna put it into a bucket of water and let's see if it is truly waterproof or not. Here you can see it's completely fine after the water experiment. Waterproof neon signs are perfect for outdoors. If you want for yourself, you can order it by clicking the link in the description. Thank you for watching the video with us. See you until next time.